Dear USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all in same page on ongoing civil justice sign-off is all for Pope Francis, the Lucifer, the Satan, the Antichrist created tax mandate COVID-19 state tax mandate $1 trillion error, and it is the deadliest crime. Ongoing civil closure sign off processes. As of January 30th, 2021, when Pope Francis the Antichrist created COVID 19 arranged marriage is healthiest, there must never be any state tax mandate $1 trillion error in the United States of America and in all nations worldwide. As of January 30th of 2021, when Pope Francis the Antichrist created COVID-19 forced arranged marriage is healthiest, there must never be any state mandate $1 trillion error and in the United States of America and all nations worldwide. As of January 30th of 2021, when Pope Francis the Antichrist created COVID-19 child marriage is healthiest, there must never be any state tax mandate $1 trillion error in United States of America and all nations worldwide. As of January 30th of 2021, when Pope Francis the Antichrist created COVID-19 LGBTQ marriage is healthiest, there must never be any state tax mandate $1 trillion error in United States of America and all nations worldwide. As of January 30th of 2021, when Pope Francis the Antichrist created COVID-19 domestic partners living together out of wedlock or getting pregnant out of wedlock marriage is healthiest, then there must never be any state tax mandate $1 trillion error in United States of America and in all nations and worldwide. As of January 30th of 2021, when Pope Francis the Antichrist created COVID-19 polygamy marriage is healthiest, there must never be any state tax mandate $1 trillion error in United States of America and all nations worldwide. As of January 30th of 2021, when Pope Francis the Antichrist created COVID-19 love marriage is healthiest, there must never be state tax mandate $1 trillion error in United States of America and all nations worldwide. So basic birthright level self-esteem all destroyed, stripped off from all civilians worldwide one way or the other in any variations of Vatican created code of abuse, tax mandate, satanic law is the harshest reality. And nobody is left out in the Pope Francis mandated 666 mark of the beast scandal. Yes, I am going to get civil justice for all total 7.9 plus billions of human population fallen in trap of Vatican scandal in 666 mark of the beast process mode of code of abuse law, tax law mandate and mandated and enforced to live with emotional torture. And because Pope Francis is Satan only created any state tax mandate $1 trillion error of toxins to be injected to the human population using 666 mark of the beast is proved. And Queen Elizabeth II is Satan is also proved. And faces of Pope Francis are Satan is also proved. And all nations should never have any criminal justice. It's another $1 trillion standalone crime is also proved. And error of Department of Justice is another $1 trillion scandal is also proved. So divorce process for any available Pope Francis created COVID-19 marriage types population should be annulled, dissolution of invalid disqualified marriage. For Satan, Pope Francis only created all the unhealthy marriage types. And out of total 7.9 plus billions of humans of worldwide, total male population is innocent always and total female population double innocent always. And that is why in true Christianity alone, biological moms alone have the highest impasse, highest eligibility to have sole child custody according to the Holy Bible guidelines of civil law. And always forever, biological moms and or surrogates, rental womb service providers worldwide alone must get sole child custody in divorce process as in Holy Bible guidelines, and President Joe Biden must resign immediate for fatal negligence. And I, Vedapriya, become Supreme Chief Vatican Leader, and I, Vedapriya, become Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations, and I display $1 trillion errors of wrongful hell mandate Pope Francis created hell divorce process, and I, Vedapriya, can bail out Department of Children and Families later when I become the Medical Director for all nations. So prosecution, crucifixion enforced to humans in different versions. Can you all see how innocent civilians enforced to look at fault mode when innocent and Pope Francis created hell always look godly, holy, highness, Republica, God of USA, and why nations, populations without any awareness only worshipping deadliest criminal Antichrist as a God is also another standalone $1 trillion of crime. Yes, I am the mouthpiece for entire 7.9 plus billions of humans population slaughtered and butchered by Antichrist, Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, and I sure will get civil justice count by count to all 7.9 plus billions of humans population. Either Pope Francis should say knows what is state tax mandate $1 trillion error of toxins created by Pope Francis to inject to toxins to the 7.9 plus billions of humans to be tortured forever, or Pope Francis should say don't know what a state mandates tax $1 trillion error of toxins and don't know who are 7.9 plus billions of humans population in earth. So either ways we won the case on ongoing civil justice for $500,000 trillion finance compensation to be paid to each civilian times total population. So can you all see and understand how emotional level feelings level Pope Francis, absolute monarchs, Satan's, the Queen of England, Elizabeth II just destroyed anything you call it as an humanity worldwide, all for fanatic love of crown alone and to eat, to drink the human blood as a form of tax. Absolute monarchs do not have any birthright to enforce COVID-19 tax mandate, code of abuse law, hell or Holocaust Nazism mandate law to innocent 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide to destroy brain nerve cells and enforce human brain damages worldwide. And there is no other crime that is deadliest category than to enforce tax mandate, COVID-19, hell, Holocaust Nazism, code of abuse mandate law. So to fellow mankind, and stripping of birthrights and self-esteem of civilians by enforcement, and to enforce and mandate male human operating system and female human operating system to be enforced to be malfunctioned by Vatican code of abuse or scandal tax mandate, and pain inflicted on human brain nerve cells are enforced with exponential increase on innocent 7.9 plus billions of human population worldwide by enforcement, and that is absolutely wrong. So how precious lives of civilians destroyed without awareness. In disease life cycle alone, always disease creators is at fault and never innocent. So for destroyed holy marriage law and destroyed human lives by destroying human brain nerve cells of mode, and by creating federal tax mandate poverty enforcement, state tax mandate for poverty enforcement, it's the deadliest crime created by the tax collector Pope Francis, and that is why the civil justice must be served, and that is why Pope Francis should get out of the earth now and to be gone in ashes without trace only in volcano in Hawaii, as per the guidelines in Holy Bible civil law. So I, Vedapriya, proved Vatican Jesuits leader Pope Francis, Satan, Antichrist created all the hell variations. It's all for tax mandate. And it was created only to enforce poverty for fellow mankind, and people were never had any clue or awareness that the tax was created to create poverty in turn. So it was a scandal and a scandal. At least all the nations must be happiest right now, because I'm proving all the scandal of the Pope Francis with the live proof, and the reference is only from the Holy Bible, Luke chapter 19. According to the Luke chapter 19, Pope Francis must never ever enforced any federal tax process or federal tax poverty process and state tax poverty process, and he provided that poverty creation process. So that is why civil justice must be served. So you all got correct education. How President Joe Biden will resign in next 1 second is because Queen Elizabeth II, Antichrist, and Pope Francis is Antichrist, and entire Democrat government will just faint and pass out just by aware of why USA is in ANCAP mode. I want to convey I Vedapriya eradicated COVID-19 plague as of January 25th of 2021. It can help me when USA government pays me a salary of tax-free $1 billion using direct deposit, can help me to take care of my basic essentials immediate. Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer created tax mandate, COVID-19 type love marriage mandated singles, and Pope Francis must get out of the earth now only in a volcano in Hawaii. So civil justice as of today is, according to the Holy Bible guidelines of civil justice, Pope Francis should pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans daily forever, and Pope Francis must resign now, and President Joe Biden must resign now. And I, Vedapriya, become Vatican leader now with a salary of tax-free $250,000 per annum. And I, Vedapriya, become a Supreme Chief Judge civil judge and Supreme Chief's family law judge across the globe for all nations now. And I, Vedapriya, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Chief Director for all nations to lead Medical Services Center for Disease Control, World Health Organization. Then I, Vedapriya, native Indian tribe, a true Israelite Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of USA, should become interim leader of USA now. And Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu must be renamed after my name, and USA government should pay me tax-free $1 billion salary for I eradicated COVID-19 plague faster than any robo and saved entire human kingdom and proved absolute monarchs destroyed national operations, they destroyed holy marriage law, and they also enforced federal tax mandate poverty enforcement process model. And that is deadliest crime. The absolute monarchs do not have any birthright to create poverty for fellow mankind. Who gave that authority to them? Nobody asked for Pope crap. Or nobody asked for absolute craps. And who gave authority for United States of America to even allow those deadliest criminals, wild endangered species, to live free in the tax-free in the palace? That itself is a standalone $500,000 trillion of scandal. USA must pay because USA is at fault and found guilty. And finally, USA government should pay me tax-free salary of $1 billion for I'm displaying how and why and exactly the federal tax mandate is a poverty enforcement process model that needs to be shut down, sealed and shut down immediately. I already said that I already educated that the tax agency services in the United States of America must be sealed and shut down forever. I have to step in, I have to start guiding, and only I am an excellent tax collector. So that means I only know how to collect the tax, and I only know how to guide the United States of America to how to provide the tax services in the first place. Got it? And they got fooled, then that's not my problem, right? They are educated only. All the US government, GOP leaders and the Republican government, Democrat government, House of Representatives speakers, everybody are educated only. Why on the earth they want to get fooled by these deadliest wild endangered species? And yes, whatever in the Holy Bible is happening now, and civil justice wins always is wisdom. I am that I am is born to save the world. So as of today, either Pope Francis should say he knows, Pope Francis knows what is, Pope Francis created COVID-19 tax mandates, federal tax mandate, poverty enforcement process model, satanic process model, and what is Pope Francis created COVID-19 state mandate, tax mandate process, poverty enforcement process model. Or Pope Francis should say, don't know what is tax. Either ways, we are winning the case. It's a home run, okay? So that is all for now. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.